This Mac Spotlight is on Eric Ritchey, the General Manager of Mac Manufacturing. Let's take a glance at Eric Ritchey's success as he expanded his knowledge and responsibility from first becoming a production supervisor to plant manager and then to General Manager of Mac Manufacturing in Salem, Ohio.
My name is Eric Ritchey, General Manager of Mac Manufacturing. When I got hired in at Mac Trailer, I was a flatbed supervisor on the fleet production line. I did that position for approximately 7 years as a floor supervisor. And then I went into production management for approximately 2 years. And then in 2020, I became the plant manager. Did that role for approximately 3 years. And then in 2023, I became general manager.
Eric has a great success story through his growth at Mac Trailer. He came in as a supervisor. We were actually co-workers on the shop floor, and I got to work beside Eric and learn from him in my early stages at Mac Trailer.
Don, how you doing, sir?
Not bad.
Good. Steve, Shane, how you guys doing today? Good? Good. All right. One thing I love about my current position is the workforce I have that works underneath me. I felt like we've developed a strong bond and a good team of people up here in the front office. I think one of the good lessons that I've learned working with my team is just communication. You know, have open communication and be willing to listen and hear everything through before you make your own determination or decision on things.
Eric's greatest strengths are his organization and his communication skills.
Production's good. Schedules as far as the router table, burn table, everybody's on track.
Sounds good.
I think how I impacted my team's success was them just watching me, you know, in the different roles and positions here at Mac Trailer. Teachable moments, I would say. Learn, observe. You know, you've only been over here, what, 2 weeks? Yep, perfectly fine. I hear good things. You're doing good. I feel like I'm very goal-oriented and set goals, and I try to accomplish and achieve them.
Eric's been great at balancing his work life and his home life and doesn't leave anything less than 100%.
Having a good team is one thing, because you can rely on your plant manager to run the shop and the supervisors under them. As long as everything's good out there, you know, that's good motivation to keep me moving forward and maintain the business. One thing I've learned about Mac Trailer in the years I've been here, there's plenty of room for you to move up. And I want to continue the growth here that we are accomplishing and just maintain this facility and always look at what can we do, what's the next step, how can we improve.